Hey, nice catch. Now throw it back. It's not safe to play around the track. Hey, don't worry, Lil. Throw the ball.
Don't! It's not safe! Don't! Don't, Billy! Billy! Oh, Billy!
Look! The train!
Uh-oh.
Hello, kids.
What's happening?
Hi.
I'm Gerald Francis from Metro.
Hi.
Your friends Billy and Jose were very lucky that they weren't seriously hurt. Let's take a minute to review the rules that will make it safe and fun to ride the Metro Rail train. First of all, no playing on the platform.
We just learned that.
Good. Now watch with me to see other safety do's and don'ts to use around Metro stations and Metro tracks.
Dude, wanna see something tight? Where are you going? It's cool. Saw this in a movie. The train will turn these into pancakes. You're gonna be the pancake!
Billy! Train!
Get out of there!
Billy, hurry! Come on! John, hurry!
Oh, stop! Run for the gate!
Come on! Nice going, Billy.
Now do you get why I told you to stay off the tracks? For sure I'll never do that again.
You can have fun riding your scooter or skateboard, but when you're around the tracks and you see the crossing gates go down, remember, stop, stop, stop. Wait for them to go up again before you move on. Otherwise, you can get seriously hurt. And remember, tracks are for trains, not for playing games.
Bad idea, guys.
Hey, you can't ride on the platform, fool!
We're just having fun.
Mom always says it's never safe to play near the tracks.
She's wrong. Stop, try
Someone's
this!
gonna get hurt!
Watch me.
You know better! That ain't safe! Good try!
What do you mean try? I can beat you any day. Woo!
Lil!
Whoa! Help!
Hang on!
Help!
Quick, move on now! You can do it!
Your mother was right, Gerald.
I was right, too.
Boy, riding bikes can be fun, unless you're riding in the wrong places. Watch what happens when Jose rides his bike where he shouldn't. And remember, tracks are for trains, not for playing games.
I'm sure glad school's over.
Me too. Guys,
We
wait
have to
up!
go around the tracks.
You two stay off the tracks.
Nah, we can make it.
My mom says I can't.
I don't see her here.
Don't do
Stay
it,
if you
Zay.
want. Guys, help!
Zay, are you okay?
Whoa, I hear bells.
Jose! Leave the bike!
My dad will kill me!
The train! Catch it!
You okay, man? From now on.
I know, don't cross on the tracks.
Boy, running may be faster than walking, but if you take a shortcut across the tracks or try to beat the crossing gates, you could get really hurt. So kids, play by the rules. And remember, tracks are for trains, not for playing games.
Did you do the math?
Too hard.
Wait up, guys! We can beat it!
Wait! Are you okay, man?
That hurt.
Board's trashed.
Dude, you should have waited at the gate.
I know. Next time, I will.
Cool ride.
Sweet ride.
It's fun to ride the train, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so cool.
So what have you learned today?
Tracks are for trains, not for playing games.
In platforms too.
That's right. And remember what you learned. Stay safe around train stations and train tracks.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, who wants ice cream?
Yeah,